At NexusTek, our mission is to solve our customers' real business challenges using leading technologies available in the marketplace. When talking to C-suiters about the differentiation between NexusTek and our competitor, it's all around customer satisfaction, and the results speak for themselves.
We have a lot of vendors, but a partner is someone that you really kind of go through the fire with. There's going to be those late nights, there's going to be the weekends, there's going to be the upgrades. They've always managed to come through. I consider them being a partner. With that, they have earned our trust.
When you think about our breadth of capabilities, we have capabilities around helping our customers by advising them on what best to do. But we also have the ability to deliver on that. And once we deliver on that solution, we have the ability to manage it long term.
We really like the breadth of their offering. And as we started to work with them, another key point for me personally was the people that we were working with. It was very focused.
NexusTek is using the advantages of technologies around cybersecurity and AI to ensure our customers' needs are best addressed. What separates NexusTek from the rest of the MSPs are our ability to develop services that are best in class in our clients' specific industries.
It'll take them roughly 80 hours to complete the recommended PO for one vendor. NexusTek came in, understood what that individual did. They did it within minutes. So 80 hours to within minutes.
We are their trusted advisors for many of the well-known corporations in the financial services, hospitality, life science, energy, and the defense manufacturing space.
In banking, compliance and operational readiness aren't an option. They're part of the job. If we ever need anything, they're quick to respond and ready to help.
We don't ask you to fit our model, we start with yours. We map where we are today against where we're going, so every decision has a direction. A perfect example is around the US government and a new requirement called CMMC 2.0. CMMC 2.0 is the single biggest opportunity right now to separate your business from the defense contractors who are not ready. The manufacturers who move first wins the contracts while others can't bid. And the great news is NexusTek is ready to do the assessment with you. NexusTek exists for exactly this moment. Our services are not aspirational. This is what we do every day for every client at scale.